Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about how to sue your landlord. Now, you got to be able to prove it's constructive eviction. So get ready.
They ask me how I know it'll be okay.
This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area, and I want to help everyone get real. R-E-A-L. Real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about how to sue your landlord. Now, in order to do this, you've got to be able to prove that it's constructive eviction. Now, constructive eviction is basically when your landlord neglects to or does something that then further prohibits you from inhabiting the property, and you got to get out because of that. And thus, you can sue the landlord, right? Because they are now violating the terms of the lease agreement and not offering you peaceful enjoyment, relaxation, and inhabitants of the space you agreed to pay for a certain amount of time. So how do you prove constructive eviction to an attorney so that you can then sue your landlord if this is the case? Now, full disclaimer, I'm not advocating you go sue your landlord, but I'm just educating on how you could if you needed to. So, number one is it has to be something that is legally due to you, right? I'm going to give you 5. Number one is it has to be something that's legally due to you, like heat, hot water, electricity, something vital to you living in there. So it's got to be one of those things. Second, you got to prove that the landlord has neglected to maintain or repair such an item, like the front door of the complex not being there anymore, something drastic like that. So you've got to be able to prove that they neglected it. Something you need, then they neglected it. Number 3 is you've got to give them some notice, right? That you've got to give them some notice that this is happening. So they've got the notice, and that's a big thing with law and suing. You've got to put people on notice. So you put the landlord on notice. And the 4th one is because of their neglect, right? Now the place is becoming inhabitable, right? Inhabitable, right? If you see me in some of my other videos, I stumble with that word, but you know what? We're going to get it right at some point, just not tonight. So, right? Inhabitable because of that neglect. Now, the 5th thing that happens is you've got to move out in a reasonable amount of time after you've put the landlord on notice and they've neglected to take care of it. If you do those 5 things, you can prove those to an attorney, you can sue your landlord for constructive criticism. Check with your local legislation on just how much, right, you can get from the actual landlord from it. Check with your attorney on what the right way to go about it is. I'm just here to give you a little education today. So it's been real, it's been 90, gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.